The Goldman 555 shield is an adjustable frequency and duty cycle signal generator shield that fits on the Dolgan Development Platform, DDP. The adjustable clock signal is fed into the DDP and presented on the serial plotter, demonstrating the changes in frequency and duty cycle as a user turns the two potentiometers. The shield schematic is based off of this circuit. The main component is the 555 timer. Potentiometer P1 adjusts the frequency of the signal, while P2 adjusts the duty cycle. The signal is based off of the charging and discharging of capacitor C1. The original inspiration for this shield comes from the original SMT 555 timer adjustable frequency and duty cycle signal generator, which uses a 555 timer and an op-amp to create a customizable clock signal. The PCB was modified and the op-amp was replaced with two diodes, with the final PCB being named the Goldman 555. This project showcases the shield version of the Goldman 555. This is a breadboard prototype of the Goldman 555 shield based off of the Goldman 555 PCB appliance. The shield version offers many advantages over the PCB appliance one. First of all, the larger space allows for larger, more ergonomical potentiometers to be used, which do not require screwdrivers to turn. Secondly, it is more secure, fixed to the DDP via two large male headers. Finally, it is an efficient plug-and-play design with the pre-made software sketch. The shield must simply be inserted in the DDP, the software sketch uploaded, and then the serial plotter opened. The user can then instantly start seeing the live results on the serial plotter as they adjust the frequency and duty cycle of the signal via the two potentiometers. Here, the Goldman 555 PCB is being used to demonstrate the functionality of the Goldman 555 shield. It is being used on the DDP V8, made by Seb Atkinson. The advantage of using the Goldman 555 shield with the DDP V8 is that the SparkFun Pocket Programmer and Adafruit serial to USB communication cables are not required. The DDP V8 only requires the use of one mini USB cable. This offers an even more convenient way to use the Goldman 555 shield. The general board for the shield is based off of the DDP ADC shield version 3, designed by Chris Darcy. The shield was designed in Eagle by Autodesk. The schematic is where the connections between the components are established. The board view is where the components are laid out, the copper traces are routed, and the silk screening text is added. The board features mostly surface mount components to minimize clutter and maximize manufacturing convenience. Most of the board can be fabricated and soldered by JLC PCB's SMT assembly service, as it uses common SMT components.